It was nothing less than a magic equation. Decoded from an obscure Soviet technical paper by a young Lockheed engineer in the mid-1970s, an arcane mathematical formula held the promise of reducing an aircraft's visibility to radar by a factor of more than 1,000. Forged in the shadows of the black world, overnight, stealth became the most secret and coveted breakthrough in the history of military aviation. The science of designing low observable aircraft was guarded so closely that an entire squadron of F-117 Nighthawks operated in total secrecy, unseen and officially unacknowledged, for nearly a decade. Alongside Lockheed, Northrop Grumman and Boeing, advanced stealth technology helped end the Cold War and propelled American aerospace a generation ahead of potential adversaries. While others have tried to follow, the pioneers and OGs of low observables remain, the masters of stealth.